home composting using aerobic method. Compost, the black gold made from kitchen waste. Do you want to know how it is made? 5 things important for aerobic composting. First one, container. Container can be plastic, mud pot or metal mesh. Second, air circulation. Drill 4 10 mm holes in the bottom, 3 mm hole on the lid and vertical lines of 3 mm holes around the bucket. Place the bucket on a ring inside 16-inch plate to provide bottom air circulation. Third, greens and browns. Kitchen waste is termed greens and it has 60 to 70% moisture. Moisture creates many problems. Moisture on greens needs to be absorbed by browns. One such brown is crushed dry leaves. Jog on it. Other important browns are coco peat, animal manure, or your own compost. Fourth, composting microorganisms. Composting microorganisms helps accelerate the composting process. You can use BioClean microbial coco peat brick infused with composting microbes. Slowly pour 1.5 liters of water to soak the brick and leave it overnight. Even though we added water, this brick can absorb more moisture from kitchen waste. Fifth, a suitable place at home protected from rain. Compost bin should be kept in a rain protected place like balcony, garage, below the staircase or windowsill. Here is a diagram showing sandwich layering process. Now it's time for composting demo. Add crushed dry leaves or regular coco peat or animal manure to create a 5 to 6 inch bottom bed. Spread the kitchen waste. Do not dump. Break any rice blocks. Strain liquid out of sambar and add only the solids. Cut whole vegetables and fruits into smaller pieces. Do not create any lumps which can become anaerobic and emanate bad smell. Cover it with equal amount of browns like microbial coco peat, compost and crushed dry leaves. Close the lid and place it at rain protected place like balcony or garage or extended window sill. Next day, add the day's kitchen waste as fresh as possible. Cover it again with microbial coco peat, compost and crushed dry leaves. Repeat this until the bucket is full. Keep it aside and fill another bucket. Number of compost bins and capacity required depends on number of members in the family. Compost bins are used in pairs. Fill one and then fill the second one. When both are full, harvest the first one and restart. 30 liters or 50 liters drum pairs can be used by larger families. After 30 to 40 days, the material inside would have reduced by 40%, and if you rake it, it would smell like soil. Spread it on a tarpaulin sheet and pick out larger chunks of semi-composted material and use it for next bottom bed. If a home generates 1 kg kitchen waste per day, 30 days is 30 kgs. When composted, results in 8 to 10 kg compost. Remember to save 5 kg compost so that it can be used during next composting cycle. Use remaining 5 kgs to grow safe vegetables. Always add moist compost around the plant and then cover it with soil.